Hello everyone, this is Deepak Kumar Giri from IIT Kanpur. Welcome to the course Aircraft Control System. The aircraft control system is an important tool of an aircraft which ensures safety, stability, and continuity of an aircraft. I'd like to highlight a few important points of aircraft control system. The aircraft control system can stabilize the aircraft from undesirable motions or deviation from the flight path. And also, the aircraft control system can provide the authority to the pilot to fly the aircraft under various conditions or flight envelope. The aircraft control system can manipulate the aerodynamic control surfaces to maintain the desired attitude or orientation of an aircraft. The advanced control system include autopilot, can assist fully automated certain phases of aircraft. The aircraft control system also can enhance the precision and efficiency of flight operations, which reduces the pilot workload. A well-designed control system can contribute smoother and comfortable flight experience for the passenger by minimizing turbulence-induced motion. With this most motivation we'll be moving with in this course, and I hope you'll be able to design your own autopilot and integrate in your aircraft. So thank you very much. Wish you all the best.